Hello and welcome to Electrical Engineering Bootcamp, Knowledge in Minutes. In this video, I am going to go over Distribution Capacitor Bank. The main purpose of capacitor banks is to help adjust the power factor in the distribution circuit. The capacitor bank stores electrical energy in a charging circuit and releases that said stored energy when it is discharging. The use of capacitor banks is to counteract inductive loading, such as motors, by increasing the current carrying capacity of the system. Now, I didn't mention that it helps adjust the power factor. The power factor is the ratio of real power or power actually used by the apparent power, or the power that is being supplied. By adjusting the power factors using a capacitor bank, you can increase the real power without increasing the apparent power. Capacitor banks can be remotely turned on and off in the control center, or can be triggered automatically with conditional parameters such as temperature. If you're interested in learning the more general knowledge and build a comprehensive knowledge base on the distribution power system, I recommend you to sign up to my Udemy course called Distribution Power Engineering Fundamentals. Now, this is a comprehensive video course where you can learn industry-specific knowledge about the distribution power system that you could not have known unless you worked within the utility industry for a number of years. I have handcrafted this course to allow my students to acquire core fundamental knowledge on how the distribution system works, as well as how to do simple distribution designs. So if you're interested in learning more about distribution system, please click on the link in the video description.